California is the most populous state in the United States with a population of 39.6 million and is also the third largest state in the country with an area of approximately 424,000 square kilometers. In this article, you will learn more detailed information about California. California experienced a significant increase in population in 1849 with the gold rush, and since then, the state has played a prominent role in the country's economic and cultural life. California is known for its leading position in the film industry, high technology, agriculture, tourism, and other industries. San Francisco, Los Angeles, and San Diego are famous cities with world-renowned tourist destinations. California is famous for its 1,350-kilometer coastline along the Pacific Ocean. This coastline is filled with beaches, coastal ranges, and small bays. The state's interior consists of high mountains, vast valleys, and deserts. Mount Whitney, which is 4,421 meters high, is the highest mountain in California and the highest point on the U.S. mainland. California's climate varies from the temperate oceanic climate in the north to the desert climate in the south. The northern coastline is temperate and rainy, while the southern coastline is hotter and drier. The state's interior has a hot and arid desert climate. The continental climate can sometimes cause heavy rainfall and flooding in the winter months. California has the highest population density in the U.S. and is a multicultural state with various ethnic groups represented. People with different ethnic backgrounds, such as Spaniards, Mexicans, Asians, African Americans, and Europeans, live in this state. California has been exposed to many natural disasters, including the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, the Pacific front of World War II, and the 1994 North American earthquake. In conclusion, California is one of the most important states in the U.S. The state has played a significant role in the country's economic, cultural, and social life and has world-renowned tourist destinations.